Sunday, June 21st. You can see I pulled back some of the masking, all the masking almost. I have put on the last coat of chassis black and I am done painting. I think it looks pretty good. I'll walk you around this and then I'll take you underneath and show you what it looks like underneath as well. There's the firewall. You can see where I cut in the lizard skin right there. Right there. On the firewall right there. But the firewall here is chassis black. It looks actually really good. Let me walk you around. You've seen the cabin before, but here's the cabin. I have a lot of masking to pull back, especially on the firewall. I did not top coat the firewall because I was told that you didn't really have to. You'd have carpet over the top, but it's got the sound deadening and the heat resistant ceramic on it. Those two different lizard skin products. I also have a firewall mat ready to go, ready for installation. So we'll install that when you're up here too. And then let me walk you around back to the trunk and this splatter paint. It's hard to see in the video. It kind of looks like gray primer, but it's not. It's got like it's got white speckles and black speckles in it. And I think you'll like it. If you don't, we'll paint it black. And here's the other side. Let me take you around to the, let me lift the car and show you the underneath. Here it is underneath. Just do a quick walkthrough. Still a little tacky and a little shiny, so I think the shine will start to go away once it dries out a little bit more. It's not super tacky, it's just, you know, a little green. But you can see for the 4-link, I fixed it so I got them all painted black, chassis black, because remember they were bare steel. Here's a wheel well. Yeah, I think it looks good for, you know, first time rookie. I still have to unmask that. The crossbar for the 4-link. Yeah. Tail panel, you can see. Still have a couple pieces of tape in there, but yeah, I'm excited to get the subframe and the rear axle in there. So ready for next weekend. See ya.